pomegranate perfume, face powder in an orange, a makeup bag inside a watermelon, and fresh cream from dragon fruit, our makeup arranged a real fruit festival today. My friend is on the hunt. What is she looking for? Yummies? Hidden treasures? A recipe for endless youth? It turns out that she needs a hand cream. That's easy. The hand cream is hidden inside a dragon fruit. Fold corners of a hand cream tube and fasten them with a stapler. Cut a foam plastic ball in half and attach one half to the cream tube. Trace the cap on red felt and cut it out. Wrap the entire thing with foil to make it more voluminous. Cut 2 elongated pieces out of a pink foam rubber sheet. We also cut bright petals of different widths out of felt. Glue the petals to the main body. First of all, attach red and pink ones, and then add green and light green petals of smaller size. Hot glue a red felt circle to the cap. My friend can't believe that a regular cream can look like a bright fruit. Now this is a change of style. I squeezed some cream out of the dragon fruit. I didn't know that this exotic fruit had such nourishing juice. My friend has been dreaming about something. Colorful, handy, and beautiful face powder compact is her biggest dream. I wish good dreams always came true, but I know how to make this wonder with my own hands. I sneak the ideal powder compact under my friend's pillow while she's sleeping. Frou-frou, you are on guard! Divide a round face powder compact into sections. Trace the lines with hot glue. Let the glue dry. Cover the lines with white acrylic paint. Paint the space between the white lines in orange. Cut a strip out of orange felt and hot glue it to the side of the face powder compact. Coat the sections with orange acrylic paint additionally and add a white strip along the edge. It's morning. It's high time for sleeping beauties to wake up. But my friend is more like the princess in the pea. Oops! I mean the princess in the orange. Something under the pillow wasn't letting her sleep the entire night. Let's check what's there. A face powder compact hides in the disguise of an orange. It's exactly the one I've been dreaming about. It's magic! My dream came true. The first thing I'll do after waking up is fix my skin tone. I'm living the dream. Redhead wants to do a bright and juicy makeup look, and a sweet watermelon style is exactly what she needs. Apply red eyeshadow to the entire upper lid. Make a light green transition and blend light green eyeshadow on the brow bone. Define the brows with light green face paint. Apply red eyeshadow to the lower lash line. Put some black face paint on a thin brush and paint watermelon seeds on the upper lid. Add black eyeliner. The watermelon look is done! The girls arrange a summer picnic. It's a perfect time to debut my new makeup for them to see. They love it! I'm a real watermelon girl, and there is one more surprise hidden in the basket, a watermelon makeup bag.